Alright, so as you know, we have a little pool in the backyard and everything. Whoa. Yeah, we have a little pool which does require maintenance, but look how funny this is. Look at the kind of vehicles that pull up to get their pool's maintenance stuff. And here's the little 8-foot backyard pool guy. But yeah, I just picked up a new little skimmer net and then another filter for the setup. And yeah, it's literally like 92 degrees right now. It's already like 6:30, but I gotta go make another stop real quick to grab something for my girlfriend, something I found on OfferUp. So just cruise with me and we'll go from there. Bag secured. Time to head back to the area, drop all this stuff off, and hopefully meet up with the guys. Okay, so it's the next day. No one ended up doing anything last night, so we just laid low. Me and my girlfriend just kicked it. But earlier today, which is Thursday, we went to Walmart where I found this. Well, it didn't look like this. I actually sprayed it with this fabric material. You can even see here the leftover red, but no biggie. This was only $20 or $19 and some change. I guess the original price was even cheap too. It's like 20 bucks. This is a little motorcycle roadside kit thing, and like, I know the joke, it's like we don't do big desert trips and do all that chopper stuff, but when you ride your bike daily and regularly, it's a moving thing. It's shaky, it's bumpy, things get loose. You just would rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. And for $19 it's a steal. You're probably looking at this wrench right here. This is a Craftsman wrench that I've had in my, like, I have like a secondary bag of tools that aren't in my main toolbox. The homie Carlos from Arizona, shout out Carlos, is the one who told me that when you get a cheap kit like this, these cheap ratchets are, you know, they're good for just, you know, everyday stuff, and maybe they'll rattle up and break loose one day, but all the more on a motorcycle that's daily ridden, shakes up the internals, and these things give out. They'll either break, like pop open, or just like, well, yeah, they'll give out, and you'll actually be stranded rather than having a good wrench. So what I did is, or what I'm gonna do is keep this in my regular small side bag of tools at home, and then keep the good stuff that will never fail on me if and when we're out in the far deserts of Anaheim or freaking, oh, the long stretch of Beach Boulevard. But all jokes aside, it is good to have a toolkit on you. So I'm gonna replace that, and I'm gonna put that there. I don't think this should go wrong. We'll find out. Other than that, I don't think he said to replace anything else. The crescent should be fine too. I don't see why that would give out, but yeah, real good tool tip right here. Best $19 ever spent. But yeah, like the homie Carlos was saying, do upgrade the ratchet though, because it would just be the worst to, like, say you actually are, like, I don't know, a couple hours away and you're just hanging out with a buddy or something, or even on the way home from work, and something loosens up and you need to make it home and tighten it, and you grab this freaking lollipop and then all the internals are broken on you just because of the vibrations. That would not be cool. So yeah, toss that, or keep it to the side at home where it's like not crucial, and then keep this on you. So yeah, and I'll show you where I mount it to. All right, so I was lucky enough that it actually fits perfectly in this pocket right here, right behind the seat. I had my girlfriend test it out, and yeah, it did not get in her way. I'll show you how I mount it. Yeah, so this is one of her old belts that she gave me. She's about to throw it away. I'm like, let me just use it. But yeah, it stays on there. Did it through the loop, just through this back of the sissy bar, and look at that. And when she sat on it, this buckle didn't even bother her. I mean, if it did, I could literally just run it off here or here, but she was cool with it. She was laid back, and it literally finishes off the back for her. Like, oh, it looks cool. It looks like a book, CD jacket or something like that. But let's see what the guys are up to. And then this, yeah, that's crazy. Stock height, and then 11, and then 12.
Did it.
Oh, it's hot.
Okay.
Later.
I don't know. I'm later. Okay.
He's gonna cruise with us next time, or what?
Tell him. He's doing it.
That's it.
a drink or food inside somewhere? You guys want to just like lunch and like chill out?
I'm down to kick it wherever. I mean, there's usually parking in the neighborhood right here.
What time is it?
Oh,
Hold on.
it's 7.
That's the vlog.
Oh. No, but it's 7.
For real, what time is it?
It's 7.
What time is it?
7.
Oh, 4:20 or 8:05. Which one? 4:20 or 8:05?
4:20 or
Party
8:05.
time.
Yeah, there's only 2 times that matter to Vix. It's either 4:20 or 8:05. F it.
I'm gonna get it fucked up.
But I think we could just park anywhere around here. There has to be parking in the neighborhoods. We'll check.
Let's go.
Yeah, because we'll get towed here for sure.
Oh, maybe I got that.
Mom? Oh yeah, because when you got it, you already weren't riding it.
Like 3 times. Fuck you.
Huh?
There's X's on them, bro.
Where?
Look it on the corner.
you got the Homer Simpson. Yeah, you got the Homer Simpson, brother.
Shit, I'm already a big head.
Yeah, Vegas would be something.
So I think like working now, like what happened? Yeah, I was like, here we had a great ass time.
So this is where it all went down.
Last week, but we met a fucking other fellow biker. He got all fucking happy.
I was joking with Vic because he had a helmet. He was just sitting there by himself, and I was like, "Bro, ask him what he rides."
I was like, hey,
And then,
hey, you right? I was like, you right?
Well, he clearly has his
I
helmet.
know, that's why.
But what did he ride? What did he ride? A Heritage
know.
Softail?
No, like an ST, like a Loretta X.
Oh, okay.
Oh, he did say something like that.
And that was all.
That's why I was like, yeah, all right.
I had a pep in his step after. Or what?
I know for real.
Wait, is this a blazing station or where is this? No, wait, no, where is it? Oh, what? Bro, the whole time I thought this was a parking lot.
Shut up, really?
I never walked. Like, why would I go in? Why would I go in the parking structure? Yo.
Should we just get a table outside?
Hell yeah.
Over here again.
You also sit right there.
Yeah, there's hella room. It's just that this couch is comfy, but I'm down. No,
Sometimes they are.
So he's like,
well, yeah, because they're gonna level out the playing field.
He's like,
$10.
yeah, he's like, bro, this fool will go and order like 3-4 of them. I'm like, what the fuck?
Bro, what's the name of this place?
Hurricane. Hey, it's Huracan.
Yo, those fools played me though. It's like I don't want to spend money, so you get a beer. I asked for a water. This fool gave me the Crystal Geyser. You know what I'm about to
Not
get?
even the Fiji.
$4.99.
Not even the Fiji.
And quick $4.99. I came here just to kick it, dog. That's crazy.
Tell them they'll be like, hey, you know what? But I don't really want this.
Not even that. Be like, I only drink tap.
You have cash though?
I do. Should we just pay cash?
I have
Charged $1.
And I have
I got so many of these at home, dog. Not bad. There's a pizza here, slap. It is a slap or smack? The pizza?
Matt.
Uh-oh, they don't know. How's the pizza?
The pizza was,
Mid.
alright, one bite, everyone knows the rules.
What was it?
5.6 out of 10.
What about you? Oh, not even 5?
5.6.
Okay, well, we got
So hey,
her.
before even saying it, it looked like a 7 or 8.
It looked good, right?
The fries.
Oh,
look,
the fries?
The fries look.
Well, this isn't for me.
Them.
This is for me to take
tossed them
home,
like
so
this.
let's see if she
I
likes
didn't even see
it.
that.
He tossed
Hey,
it.
well, everyone eats with their eyes first, so.
See?
Okay.
I told you. Okay. Oh, damn,
A little
That
bit.
shit is fire.
Like,
Alright, whatever. I
That
mean,
shit is
let's go.
fire.
hey, but for her, she ain't paying, so she's
her,
okay.
yeah,
You know,
yeah,
it's bomb to her.
My bikes are good. I see you hear me.
Alright, so what? You don't see a ticket on her windshield?
No, look.
You sure?
Over Valerie. Get up in the mic and sing it. How? It's gonna be hella dark on the way back. We could just cut right here. Let's check.
Honestly, though, it's good.
Let's check on the bikes though.
So usually the donut's right there and it's yellow. That's why I know.
Yeah, that's tight.
Next time we're gonna come here, one by everyone knows the rules.
Oh, see, why did we hit this? This is closer to the bikes too.
Hey, do they serve them by the slice though?
Bro,
I don't know.
I can tell you this. They don't got lobster rolls there.
They don't though.
Hell no, they don't. But this fool barely did too.
I'm telling you, I was this close to gaming. I was like, what is?
Hey, we got a fellow brother parked next to us. Brother. Hell yeah.
Scandal. I think I'm gonna go pee.
Vibe check, all that. Sick. Girls just want to have fun, bro.